Hi everyone, welcome to the codes. Today we will be starting with strings. So let me tell you, strings are one of the most commonly used data types in programming and in your JavaScript. So these are basically used to manipulate any kinds of text. Now, what happens is you work with strings, sentences, or even JSON data types. You will get your string in that. So your string will help you to manipulate all those things. Okay, so now let's understand and see one by one all the things which comes under string. String is nothing but basically a sequence of characters. Okay, now it can be with single quotes, double quotes, and backticks. Let's see all of these three one by one. So let's say at const, and in const what you can do is you can put any of your variable. Suppose I will say name. In your JavaScript, string are basically an object. Okay, so how we will write it? Let's start with the single quote. Let's suppose my name is Kajal. I wrote it in single quote, and let's suppose I will console it. Now, if I console my name, you will see that here it is giving a stroke over your name because it's a keyword in your JavaScript, so I can't use it. So let's suppose I want to change it to something else. My name. My name. Okay, so I'll console this. My name. You will see that you are getting your full name. But what if you want to access any particular character from your sentence? So here it is Kajal. So I want to have a first element. So I want to get K, which is present at 0 index. We will get K. It is, if you want to access any of the elements, it's similar to an array. How you access the elements of an array, similarly you will do it with the string also. And now let's move forward. Let's see that how we can check the length of a string. It is basically, let's remove this. So my name dot length is the property of your string to get the length of an string. So 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So total you should get, oh sorry, 5. 5 how? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. In 4, but it is starting from 0, right? So in terms of length, it is going to count as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, not with 0 in terms of length only. Okay, so if you start with 0, it is going to be 5 elements only. If you start with 1, then it is going to be 5 elements only. So remember, indexing starts from 0, but it is going to count as 1. So total it is going to be 5. If I will increase 1, Kajal 1 like this. So how many elements going to be there? It's 6. It is with the single quote. And suppose if I added a white space between this. So it is going to be 7. How? Because your space is also counted as one element. Now this was with your single quote. Similarly, you can go with double quote. In double quote, you will use your double quote. And what you can do is you can just go ahead and print this. So in one you will get your name, and in second you will get the length of the name. Now there is one thing called backticks. When you use this kind of backticks, it is again a type of your string. This backticks is much more than only backticks. I will explain you later on in this particular video only, lecture only. So see, it printed the same thing. So it does not matter you are using single quote, double quote, or your backtick, it is going to give you the same kind of output The only thing is that there are three types in which you can specify your string, or you can define your string. Now this is the one of your property, which is length. Now let's see some of the most common methods of your strings. Let me comment this, and I want to take something else. Let's suppose let course equals to JavaScript the complete guide. Okay, I've written this JavaScript the complete guide. Now what I want to use the first property, what it can be. I want to get the method called console.log I want to do course dot, let's suppose I want to find out the substring. Now substring is this is your string. Now substring is basically whenever you want to take out particular word from your sentence, or you want particular string from your string, then you can use your substring. That means, let's suppose I want to get this JavaScript from this string. So how I can get this? So this substring method, it takes two parameters. What? First one is your first index, and the second one is your second index. That means your start and end. Now start, let's suppose I am starting with 0 and 1, which is 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now check over here. I have written 9. What you will get? You're getting your JavaScript, but you are not getting T. Why? Because in your substring, whenever you are writing the ninth one, means the end index, remember this, count from your 0 is your J, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It should include T, but it didn't, because the end index is not included, it's excluded. Remember it. When I will do 10, it will give me JavaScript. See, so that's why I was saying that whenever you want to extract some part from the string, then you can use your substring method. Okay, now let's suppose I want to use another method, which is your split. Okay, so let's have console.log your courses.split. Now how split works is, split will split your string from wherever you will give something inside your split. Like if you will put space, so what it will give? It will give you JavaScript, then this your underscore, and then hyphen, basically then the complete guide, because it will separate out 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So see, 1, 2, 3 and 4. That means how many words? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total of 5 words. So this is how your split works. So let's suppose if you have removed this or this from here and you put comma, so put your comma over here, so it will split by the comma. Wherever there is comma, it is going to split your string. See, JavaScript comma the complete guide. If you will put your comma over here, so it is going to split again from that. Now there is next method, which is your to uppercase. Why we use that? Whenever you want to use, whenever you want something that your all the letters should be in uppercase, you can just do it like this. See, all the single letters are converted into your uppercase. So what if you want to do it for lowercase? So you will use to lowercase method. See, it will convert everything into lowercase. J and your T, look at this, it's in smaller case. Now let's move to next method, which is your trim. Trim method. So let's go with trim. How trim works is, trim will exclude, or basically it will remove the white spaces from the end of the string. So if you will see, if I will add this much spacing on my string, it will not affect anything. It is just removing. It is not specifying or displaying anything with all the spaces. It has removed the white spaces. Okay. So back to the normal. Next method. Next method I want is index of. Why index of is used? Whenever you want to get, or you want to know that wherever, for example, let's see, this is the sentence. Now see, you want to get a particular word index. You want to get to know that wherever your any particular word is present, at that time you will use index of. For example, I want to check whether the is present or not. So I want to know that at particular index which word is present. So you will write index of, let's suppose I'm just writing randomly 6. Let's see what will be the output. You're getting -1. Why? Because you need to specify word over here, not index. Method is index of. That does not mean you have to write the index. You have to write the word at which you want to know that the index is there. Okay. So let's suppose I want to put the over here. Okay. THP the. So it is at 12th number. So whenever you use index of, it starts from left and it goes to right. So let's start 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is the space, and from 12 it is starting. So that's why your 12 is here. Now similarly, if you will write so console.log, I want to take this index of exactly same, but what I will do is I will convert this to last index of. Okay, so last index of, you will write last, 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 and index I will be capital. So now instead of this the, I want over here your JavaScript to be there. JavaScript. Okay. So this is done. Now I want to get the last index of JavaScript. So what you will get, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Okay, so you should get your answer as 32. See, you got your answer as 32. That means whenever you want to get, okay, let's suppose in the first index of, you put your JavaScript. So let's see what you will get. You're getting 0. Why? Because this JavaScript is at 0th position. It's starting from 0. So for first index, you will get the first element, whatever you are searching, right? So you are searching over your JavaScript. So JavaScript will be there at 0th position. It will give you the first index. Okay, the first element which will come. And for the last index of, you will get the element from the last. So in the index of, it will start from left to right, and in last index of, it will be right to left. Okay. So this was your index of and last index of. Now let's move ahead with the most important thing, which is your strings are immutable. That means if you have created a string, you cannot modify it. Let's see what I am trying to say. Let's say, let my name, okay, my name is Kajal. Now I want to change something in my string. Let's suppose I want to modify any word. So I want to change my first letter. Okay, first letter to, let's suppose, small k. Okay, so let's print out this. Let's see, will this replace or not? Let's see. See, you will get Kajal because strings does not allow you to change or modify the string. If you want to change it, it will replace the whole string. How? See, my name, write Kajal. Now you will get Kajal because there is no old Kajal with this smaller. If you want to write something else, let's say Aditya, okay. So your my name will replace this Kajal with Aditya. Okay, the latest updated one will be there. So Aditya will be printed. So you cannot modify your existing string, but obviously you can create a new one. I hope this is clear. So this was all about your string. So try to practice this. As much as you will do practice, you will understand it better. Thank you so much, everyone.